JLP government is a better government and a better policymaker, a better implementer, a better political party to run this country. Billy Jam, good morning. It's no joke, it's not two-way. The JLP political movement that becomes the government is a better steward of this country than any political party in history, and we have facts to back it up. In no other time, that night, big up yourself, in no other time, no government cannot campaign on so much achievement going into an election. Good morning, Rupert Miney. Big up yourself. No other time. The JLP administration that is in government now, as a track record, is second to none. We are building a nation and changing the lives of people is concerned. No other administration since 1962 has done so much for a country that was ravaged by crime. Good morning, Garcia. Good morning, Violet. Ravaged by crime, ravaged by corruption, and was the beggar and was the begging capital of the world. Jamaica is the poster child of the world. Jamaica is now better than the great United States of America. We don't talk foolishness here, so. What's the breaking news, Nathaniel? Let me hear the breaking news. What's the breaking news? This is no joke. Gone are the days when Jamaica put on them dark glass and then cheese pan and gone beg in front of the world. Gone are the days when Jamaica put on them dark glass and gone beg in front. Ghana UN gone beg. Ghana Britain gone beg and Ghana Canada gone beg. We now beg none. Good morning. Nathaniel, what's the breaking news?
I'm coming with big boss. Let's go and talk to the people a bit there. I'm coming to you.
Allah, tell me that and I back to one from Nathaniel and tell me the breaking news. But listen, we are a country of resilience, and this JLP administration demonstrate that.
Yeah, man. Early again now, big boss. Yeah, man, big boss. So, breaking news, me people. Yeah, we have words from down at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation that it's alleged that Mr. Dr. Alfred Jazz is a shareholder of the Dennis Garden Company. We have understand that the media outlets are withholding on that news to reach the people of Jamaica, but it will come to pass. No, look out for it, it's coming. And there's also a second investigation firm has turned up down there too. So there's a lot more than what we think is happening down there.
Also, the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, in less than 8 months, run by the People's National Party, already foster corruption at the highest level. I'm going to say this again. Come people, tap up the screen and share the live. In less than, they take office in February, and now January morning, they are one of the highest corrupted municipal corporation in Jamaica. They take office in February, and in less than a year, they are the most corrupt municipal corporation in Jamaica. You see what I'm talking about? The Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation take the PNP, won that by default, and then now run that office, the KSMC, into a serious level of nepotism, cronyism, and corruption, where friends have been given leeway to do as they like with state agency, write check on themselves and get building building approval without the reputable people look at it. And you are telling me now, these are the same set of people want to do. These are the people want to run Jamaica.
Yes, info. We are there with also stop other place and the building in November. Me and William place a stop order on that building. Because that building does not fit for purpose. Neither the fire brigade nor the NEPA, none of them has put stop order upon the building. Because the building did not meet the requirement. And
So
all
what I'm
of us,
saying now, you guys are
from
listening.
me at baby become me at the building finish. A 4-story building at that. You need to lick down.
So these are the people who campaign, say they more run audit, they more do this, and they more do that. Morning.
I don't want to left them team.
All right, Edward, you let me know. Edward, me I wait for the video. Me I wait for the video. These are the same persons, Edward, who take office in February of last year, where we are in January, not even 1 year yet, and you find your hand in a serious corruption. I'm so blessed, Yannick. Good morning. In a serious corruption. Mayor Swaby, remember how you chat with in your debate, how Kingston stink, and no auditing, and no committee, and now you go there and you hand upon a cookie jar. Eh? Me not understand no. Morning, Judith Corey. These are the same people who came out and do a lot of stuff, say a lot of stuff, and then now they are in questionable circumstances. These are the things I'm talking about in the morning, Richard Palmer. Morning, Mr. Palmer.
Morning, my brother, morning.
So the PNP won the municipal corporation in February, Mr. Palmer. And now we are in January of the other year. And the municipal corporation is the most corrupted in the western part of the island.
And the comrade leader was crying out about corruption, and he's silent. Why got this down?
Remember, Kingston is the largest city in the English-speaking Caribbean and the most densely populated city. And this man took up a city that is growing and getting worldwide recognition and plunge it into corruption, cronyism, and nepotism. We have to
Yes, but
hear from the leader of opposition.
well, there's one question I've been asking. Did Gordon put in his statutory declaration, and was that building a part of his statutory declaration?
These are the things we need some answers for. These are the things we need some serious answers for. Because I don't understand the silence within the glass house of the People's National Party and the leader of opposition, because every minute you call press conference. Why you don't call press conference and defend? You call press conference when Dayton Campbell named in the mud. And you stand behind him, but you know, call press conference for the people, them taxpayer money down in Kingston. You see the type of leader that man want to become in this country? You call press conference to cover up something that is very visible. But now, you now call press conference because of Swaby. Eh?
Yeah, that. But you know, one of the things I find very strange, Light B. Smith from Western Jamaica saying that how Mark Gordon is an honest man and a family man, you know, and he believe he will might be the next prime minister. But the point is, what honesty do you find in Mark Gordon? When Mark Gordon dance around, lie about his citizenship, when he go around telling the country that Andrew know who are the six, what truth is in that?
You cannot repeat Light B. Smith, you know. Because Light B. Smith not fit show stone in a film glass house where I run. Because him no know honesty. Him no really know what him a say when he use the word honesty. Because you cannot use the word
It's a
honesty.
part of them, you know, so you're not going to expect better from like this.
You
It's a
cannot
part of
use the
them.
word. Well on there. You cannot use the word honesty when it's that same man who caused the Jamaican economy to plunge, and there was no world recession. It's the same man who caused a lot of persons to turn them gun at their head and shoot themselves because his policy caused them to lose their livelihood and their family and their dignity while he sell their houses and their asset to their rich friends. What kind of honest man like this you talk about of Mark Golding? And you repeat that, Richard?
No, I'm just showing you the hypocrisy of those people, you know, because the fact of the matter is,
Thanks, Cathy. Happy New Year, Cathy.
the fact of the matter is,
And I can't talk about say if Mark Golding continue on the same path, he could be the next Prime Minister. Andrew Wallace is the biggest loser for 2024. But a
Light B.
wicked man.
Smith is a non-entity. So no can't repeat what non-entity say. Light B. Smith is the biggest failure in Jamaica as a emerging man who people did respect. Light B. Smith now no credibility to speak, nor to say nothing about leadership in this country because he's failure. Listen to me. You cannot come tell me if you sell a pound of flour when you can't sell a bag. And you cannot come tell me if you sell a pound of flour when you can't sell a bag of flour when you can't sell a pound of flour. Light B. Smith can't tell me nothing because he's the biggest political failure. He knows nothing about leadership because of one term in do in a theme constituency and you're going on 6 to 7 term as member of parliament. So how can you tell me about a man who has been there and done that? Come on, let us reason. So Light B.
yes.
Smith as a Andrew is the biggest loser, and Mark Golding look like say who is Light B. Smith? Him more carrying no weight? No. Because why? A one term you do as member of parliament and the people then kick you out. So you don't know leadership. So you can't speak of leadership. So then there's something over talk. Oh, Light B. Smith, but Light B. Smith you get credibility from the talk about leadership. Come on now, people.
But one thing here, info, yesterday.
Hold on. Info, these are the hypocrite people, them TVJ and all of the radio station, them are carry upon them sitting become spread lie.
Yes, but one other thing yesterday, and I heard several comments saying that they do not accept the police information concerning the 265 drop in murder. Then they're saying from New Year's Day to the 3rd, only one person murder. They find it unbelievable. I said, but where are these guys living? Do you have any data to prove otherwise? And they were asking Harris John, why Arno Mark Golding don't come out and say anything about the drop in the crime?
Do you think Mark Golding will come out and say anything about the drop in the crime, Richard?
No, I don't expect that. But the fact of the matter is, if you're talking about you want to lead this country, you supposed, because you will be in charge of the security force if you do. So you're going to tell me now,
These
they
are
are doing
people,
well.
these people are cultists. Father G876, welcome.
Yes, man. Now listen,
You
you
know,
live, no?
Mark Ibitich, we say nothing about crime, Papa. Mark Ibitich turn up to the parliament and when time the sentence we extend, he look on the security minister and tell him, say him not like that. That the man look on the security minister and tell him, say him not like that and he not support that. That those was the words from his mouth. He saying don't like it.
Market, you live in Satan, man. Devil from hell.
So these are the type of people who wants to run our country who don't have the people's interest at heart. Because they are in there for the money. So who are the Tapanaris people now? Me know two, you know. Me know two Tapanaris people them who wants to get into power. I know two of them. And if Mark Golding becomes government, those two men will be going to the Senate and they will run into government and run some serious government agency. Me know two of them. I'm best
Info,
friend yes.
I have a question to ask you.
Mhm.
Because this is something that I've been looking deep into. Paula Llewellyn was put aside, still getting paid, which I have no problem with that. But she was not criminally charged. So why you have her? Why couldn't she continue the role until the appeal went through? And if the appeal was against her, then she would have to step down. But what purpose does it make having her sitting aside and she was not criminally charged for anything?
You know, the PNP carry Paula Llewellyn to court. Cause the government should be paying some money to Paula Llewellyn because she have a right to get a pay. And then come and then chat with them mouth and then tile it tissue. Because them a wipe while them a chatting up. Them a wipe while them a chat. But you see, God love Jamaica and you like ugly. And that's why I make Paula Llewellyn now is the DPP. Then thing they say nothing yet. Paula Llewellyn going to take her this Monday morning. Try not have nothing there. Try not have nothing there, comrade, because the DPP going to sit around that desk Monday morning with a lot of papers in front of her. And member tell London say a country we are running a friendship.
Info. They have one case did they with Sylvia. So don't worry yourself.
Me say, me mark it down 10 and me I tell them say a country we are run, not friendship. We are run a country, not friendship.
Yeah, this is one we are going to Kingston and St. Andrew. You think they might get to wait till Paula taking this Monday morning? You think they hear not yet? Hold on.
I heard you guys calling some name a while ago. A man like Light B, right? And when I look back at somebody like even Lambert Brown and the other one, Ralston, and where were these guys when Marty G was plunging the country in debt in the 90s, he along with Omar and all of them, when they were wrecking this country, when they put up policies that could not benefit Jamaica nor the Jamaican people, when they were selling out our entire commerce, where were they? Right? They were the same one that was saying that Omar was the
Say no
greatest
godmother
president.
son. But say Lambert then did they, but him better make bomb. The discharge Jamaica after the wreck.
Right? They were the same one shouting out that Omar was the greatest, right? And how many business were lost because of them not coming up as real man and putting a stop to the corruption. No, they are trying to say bad things about this government, which is doing excellent as a matter of fact. Because our prime minister was ranked number 1 in the world. Cool? Number 1 in the world. So that is the reason why they are coming with all their silly remarks. But believe me, Jamaica people is not thing there. It's not misguided as in the 1980s coming up. We understand things now, right? We are a much more educated society when it comes to these information, right?
Thank you, grandmother son. The most important part of it, the Jamaican populace are more informed, they do more research, and they are not easily frightened by, because you still have a part of the society love gossiping. You still have a part of the society still believe in the false narrative. But I'm telling you, make them believe what happened in a Trinidad that got me. Dr. Keith Rawley has done his term as Prime Minister. The man vacate office in August of this year. The man said, look here, I'm going to vacate a little bit earlier. You understand? There's nothing wrong with that. My tenure finish in August and I left in May. My tenure finish in August and I left in June. What wrong with that? Who can tell me what is wrong with that? Me, a one little vlogger run all over the place and run up and down Hey, you see this society that we have, it is a decaying society, because if you have 4,000 people that watch one madman, I see all these nonsense and I comment, yes, you wonder what are we up against in this country.
Info, I was passing through last night and I hear him info. And a lie I tell, was passing through last night, I was listening last night. And I tell him, my God.
And he run out with one broom and he must sweep. See them off. And I say to myself, say, what? Who are these people looking at this idiot?
Madman, they are Jamaica.
Dr. Keith Rawley in a press conference say, look here, my tenure finish in August and I am going home a little bit early with my family. I am leaving politics. I say I spent 2 years in politics, and I think a time has come for me to spend time with my family. What's wrong with that?
I don't know info what struck me to last night when he said that the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago resigned under pressure, and Jamaican people must do the same thing too.
So why would we do a prime minister that is doing so well? We have never have a prime minister that have carried out so much work.
Never.
So much, has put in so much policies.
Never.
But guys, there's one thing here that we're not looking at, is that Mia Motley from Barbados. Everybody giving her credit that she's the best, and she looked to Andrew for guidance. The book that Nigel Clark wrote, she spoke about it when she came here at the PMP celebration of Michael Manley's 100th birthday. So if Andrew was as terrible
Who
as
spoke about it? Mia Motley spoke about coming to Michael Manley's 100th birthday.
She was there and she talked about Nigel's book that Nigel wrote.
They invited her, and what she came and did was applaud the Jamaica government.
Yes.
The Jamaica Labour Party government.
What? When that happened? I mean, not see that.
Morning, morning, gentlemen, ladies.
It's a big thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Because she used excerpt from even though Nigel book hasn't released it, she used excerpt from it. I think called Footprint in the Sand, something like that.
Oh, let us hear from Maggie. Go ahead, Maggie.
I don't think that's the title of the book. I think the book has. I saw the book and somewhere online. It's not. I don't think that's the title. I could be wrong though. Anyway, morning again. Just joining your conversation and trying adding my bit to the work. Well, joining you guys in commending the Prime Minister and the Jamaica Labour Party by extension for the work that they have done for the past 2 terms in office. The problem I'm having though, as a supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party, is that we have not been doing enough in terms of public relations, in terms of getting that work out there. And
speak, Maggie, speak.
The thing that matters most, there's not, in my view, sufficient effort made to put that out to the public. And the other challenge that we're having, so that's one thing we're not doing. One of the other thing we have to understand and learn to deal with is that there are a lot of people in Jamaica who have not yet reached the educational level where they're able to understand and to interpret the data and to understand the significance of the things that the Jamaica Labour Party is doing and the Prime Minister. And therefore, they are easily misled by the propaganda, which is easier for them to understand, the way propagandas are put across. And so we are not winning that battle in terms of convincing the uneducated persons as to the work that is being done and the significance of the work that is being done. So we are using, on this program, I am sure that everybody's understanding me. I'm speaking English. But in another setting, how I sound now might not be the kind of language or tone that would impress or affect persons who are not adequately educated. So from a public relations point of view, we have to learn to communicate at a grassroots level, where even the financial gains and so forth can be broadcasted to the uneducated in a way that he understands, and remaining accurate all the time, but doing it not so much the polished English, because once you start use certain words to some of these people, then believe you're trying to con them, And I'm telling you from experience that because you can't speak or because you can't use language, you're trying to sell us something that is not you're really there, and it's a block and that is caused because people in the past have been politically dishonest and have used language as a means of misleading people. So it's a price we're paying in a sense. Not we as JLP supporters, but Jamaicans by and large on both sides of the political fence. So we have work to do in public relations. We really have some work to do.
I concur with you, Margie. That is our major problem. I spoke about that all the while. On several occasions, I've been talking about that gap where the common man need to understand the achievement of the government itself. Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding said, government don't win election, political party does.
Yes.
And he's absolutely right. And if the JLP political machinery don't know how to sell what the government that they are running is doing, then we are in serious trouble, Maggie.
Oh, yes, sir.
That's true.
And there's another thing, yes, sir. They tend to use too much big words. Break it down that the dons can understand.
Yes. We have to make that connection. We have to make that connection. We have to go on the stage and talk in a part where I say, look, at this we are facing, at this we are don't know. And here are the plus and and so forth. One of the things that we're suffering from as well, is that things have been so bad politically in Jamaica, where any gain we make now seems like we're playing catching up. Let me see if we can put that differently. I'll put it so you could better understand what I'm saying.
We blind towards it.
Yes, I mean, the PNP has had such a terrible legacy in respect to how we are perceived as politicians, that it's hard to convince Jamaicans that good is good and that inroad is being made based on their prior political experience. I don't know if you're getting me. So even when we do something now which is good, deserves some credit, it's as if you should have that long time. But they're not considering against what odds we're facing, why this is just being done. You understand? So we are behind in terms of our political accomplishments in a sense, because things were that bad before. If you understand if I'm making any sense.
Maggie, you know what I hate too?
And therefore the public have to be extraordinary.
You know what I hate?
Yes.
When people are going to say, it is in a pipeline long time. No, it never in a pipeline long time. If Andrew Wallace are going to put in a measure, it's a fresh thing. In a pipeline long time. It's fresh.
But look here, that's not a good argument in respect. It could have been a good argument, it's not. And I tell you why it's not. The PNP have been in power for too long to be saying that anything was in the pipeline. In 18.5 years, I don't see what couldn't have been done in the political situation for a country.
Unruly, I have the same belief what you have when it comes to that pipeline argument.
That argument no hold no water, my brother. That no hold no water.
Silly. Yeah. Extremely silly.
But we have work to do, gentlemen, and I think that's where we need to organize our efforts around the public relations, telling what we have done to the people of Jamaica in an effective way. And
yes, that's why I call upon G2K and the young professional arm of the party, because they are the ones that need to come forward. They need to have some little forum like this where they educate the people and help the people to get into the policies that the government has offered to the people, help the people so them can sign up with the thing them and help the people to show them how they can sign up with the thing them, the program them brother.
G2K,
it's a full time now for them come out and get these things up and running.
I am a former member of the G2K, and I identified that problem from day one, from the early 2000s, when I was saying that even though we are young people, most of them are at university, you can't afford to have a political meeting and they still use the Queen's English to address a bag of man who come from places where they never privileged to get certain education. You have to be able to at their level say, look here, General, like this way I deal with that used to happen.
I spoke about something the other day, and then still then come here with you do the same thing. Why these G2K people and young Jamaica send out press release? Who are going to read the long foolishness there?
Only people like you and I, you understand? And that will miss the opportunities to talk to the people of Jamaica.
Warren Newby, the former G2K president and the land of civil rights, as they see something they call press conference.
No, I mean press conferences have
people don't. Why these young people not doing the traditional way of communicate to people that is more effective? Everything press release. Press release. We're not United States because no move on a bomb and counter politics.
No, I think press release have its place, you know. You have its place now. But we need to go beyond that and and get down more engagement to the people at their own time.
Yeah, you need to come out and have meeting at least 2 times a week. Help the people to sign up with the things then that the Prime Minister had announced.
Yes.
I think
Come out and make the
I think D2K is sleeping. And many issues they are
There's
sleeping.
an organization name, so
They must sleep.
Anyway, gentlemen, I listen to you guys all the while. I can't stay long because I road for my now. So
All right, Maggie, big up yourself, Elder. Man,
Then, Mr. Holiness need to turn over the information to the bloggers.
yes,
We do more information more than G2K.
I think so. I don't see them active online with any forum where it's regular. So you can know, so you can join for this. No, sir, them kind of quiet, and that's another problem.
that's a serious problem.
It is. Anyway, gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the day. I have to go.
All right, thank you, Maggie.
I'm joining everyone.
No, my love, go on.
No problem, Maggie. No
Big
problem.
up MP slowly from Northeast St. Elizabeth. I best.
Yes, man.
Oh, MP slowly soldier.
Yes, man. I best because
Listen to
over
me.
the years of PMP run Northeast St. Elizabeth and never done down here. I may tell you that since he come in, why so much for him to do, that in that him affair do it little. May I tell you. So, may I tell you, say, Jamaica Labour Party are the best. They are 50
Morning, Curry.
first decision of things done through the Jamaica Labour Party.
I don't want what on my boss. I don't want nobody content or media host against me. And media host against you from Siaga Day. We not and we did know so we now no media host. We love Jamaican Labour Party. So there's no me no want nobody can use no excuse for we lack of communication to the common man to justify nothing. Because it's no secret that the media house is not friendly to us. It's no secret. So me no want nobody can tell me no foolishness. We must create an avenue to get the message out there that the common man who is on the corner drinking in rum and special can understand what we are saying. And this whole rascal press release, not gonna work. It's not going to work. The common man want understand. Say, look here, Andrew build a road there. Because when Andrew build a road there was no road. Uno come on this long press release. Uno go like a White House, you know there. The
True, man.
affiliate failed us. The youth affiliate failed us. We have to do what we in the interest of the party by going to the common man, to the churches, to the football match I said it before. Nathaniel, to the football matches and go there and spread the gospel. Because the gospel cannot spread like how we want it to spread. We can't spread it in a sophisticated aristocratic way. Because politics is not about that. We cannot spread it like how some people have spread it. Politics is not about the aristocratic because the aristocratic drive in BMW and go vote. We don't nobody tell him because the aristocratic vote and policy. The ghetto people them vote palm them belly. And where they can get. The aristocratic people drive them BMW and they go out and they vote on policies. We the ghetto people they will vote palm where we can get. What is good for us at now. And that is the problem that we are having. The majority of the people them who vote want one plyboard, 100 chicken, 2 bag of cement. That is the populace that vote in this country. Let us not fool ourselves. It's the ghetto people them who determine who govern this country. It's the ghetto people them who sit down in the orange and green and say them a poll clerk and them a presiding officer or them a indoor and them a outdoor and them a runner. It's the ghetto people that turn the political wheel in this country. Let us not fool ourselves. Say if you think say people them are Jackson or Beverly Hill and Narbrook, you a fool on yourself. Because you now go see a Narbrook teacher come put on a political green and a run up and down and push out here that we now say shower. You're not going to see that. You will never see that. And I am warning my political representative, treat the ghetto people them with the utmost respect because they are the ones who turn the political wheel in this country. You're not going to see Mr. Chindata, now Miss Chindata come and put pan political bus and cut up in clothes and a push out green flag. And I am warning some people that are complacent in the Jamaica Labour Party. Before you no come here and mash up us the party, you no take time and go about your business. You will never see nobody from Narbrook. You will never see nobody from Beverly Hills. You will never see nobody from Cherry Garden cut up them clothes. And if they do, and them a come in a motorcade, then wind up on the Anna AC, then push out the Anna shower. They will not sell the message like that. They will sit around the dinner table and have their private political conversation while we, the common man, take it to the street, the market, the bars, the barber shop, the hairdresser, everywhere. So I'm telling you, Labour right MP that are not responding to the people's need, you know, go out, they go do no work. Unless you don't want to go back to God knows. Me no care when me talking, no, because me not look friend. It is the common man who turn the political wheel in Jamaica. It is the common man who turn the political wheel in Jamaica. Good morning, Lou. Big up yourself, Lou. Happy New Year, Moa. Big up yourself. Love you. We cannot operate like that. We need to change our way of approaching the common man. This is the year of election. This is the year of election. Some people feel like say they can keep big event and cook big pot and call the ghetto people. They know a man remember you from what you have done to his need personally. There's a famous political speech by a politician. She said, beautiful speaking cannot help. Beautiful speaking cannot go to the supermarket. And if you think that political speech is not powerful, think again. Beautiful speaking have no place at this time. Beautiful speaking have no place on the political platform since January start. And I am telling the member of parliament them who know they've got to do no work because beautiful speaking will not going to help you. The people need must be at paramount at all cost. And I am warning those MP that feel like they can go around people. Deal with the matter at hand. Because it's a poor people that sends the government to Jamaica House. It is the poor people that send the government to Garden House. And if you don't feel like uno make a sad mistake. When me talk because me love my party. Me no love no MP, and my party me love. Me no love no MP, me love my party. So me can talk. Good morning, Natalie. Good morning, Natalie. I'm so blessed. And some of you MP who feel like say, you can come smile and shake people and I feel like that is a ballot in our backs. You tell London say you play with fire and you're going to get burned. This is a warning this morning, this Saturday morning. Do what is right in the interest of the people. Me no special MP. Nobody not special to me. Everybody equal. Because I win, me want win. And you cannot win when one link rotten and the rest are link. Because the chain is strongest at the weakest link. And a full time now we understand that on a people in Narbrook, and the contractor want to give a patchy road. And the contractor son because the contractor son which and him a drive. And in do politics. None of the contractor them when you see a do the road, them pick them and go do politics. Where do you find one and two of them? None of you no MP can tell me so no friend from Narbrook or put on big hat and go sit down on political table with ink for work phone up on election day. And at them no look after. Well, if you no feel like it, I go work so starting this January morning. But no friend from Narbrook is no cup of tea. Tell London say no time short in a garden house. Because of the poor man and the common man on the ground make who govern this country. It get up people them. The whole man and the old man. If they feel like say the people them from Narbrook, Cherry Garden, Red Hills, and the rich place them in a Kingston determine who govern the country. We don't make a sad mistake, MPs. It is the common man on the ground that send he or she to Jamaica House as Prime Minister. We're just talking about Narbrook Lou. We just use Narbrook as a reference. Narbrook, I believe, a Delroy Chuck or Carl Samuda. One of them two persons there. We're just using a reference. We must understand that the common man is more important than the people them in Narbrook and Beverly Hills and Red Hills. Some of these members of parliament who take the common man for granted because he love the party. I am not going to sit and hug up no foolishness. Me no want to be a part of elitist on TikTok. And everybody know that. I am here to defend the common man who make the wheel turn in the Jamaica Labour Party. And I'm saying it this morning to the member of parliament, them who found one thing in their seat, and go out there and go mend fences with the common man. That is my 2 cents this morning where politics is concerned and TikTok. Thanks to the person them who say info you have to do it again. I am here and I'm doing it in the interest of my party, not friendship. I'm doing it in the interest of the Jamaica Labour Party. I am starting my campaign today to ensure that the third term is a must. That is a reality. Judith Corey, good morning. Rose McCullough, good morning. Lou, good morning. Good morning to the rest of the hardcore Infomedia supporters. We are here to support a political movement that have a rich history of building a nation. And that political movement is called the Jamaica Labour Party. Too late for who? Dino, too late for who? Too late for who, Dino? No, self, you know. Oh, no, self. Our campaign start here on Infomedia Jam, people. All of the supporters and all of the well-wishers. We start our campaign and we kick off the campaign today, this Saturday morning, and we continue every morning as usual. My time is 8 o'clock. And we'll be doing what it is right in the interest of this country. Diane, good morning. You come when the show are closed. You come when the show are closed. Good morning. Good morning, Brother P. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, I am back in full force. I am back in full force. I am back in full force. Sparkly Love, I am back in full force. Khadija, good morning. Good morning again, everyone. The show has come to an end. See you tomorrow morning, same time, same place. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the love. See you
Uncle
again.
Chuck. Big up yourself, you know, Uncle Chuck.
Beg me eat you. Why the fuck you beg?
You are the only one again you not receive for true. You just not give so you not receive back nothing. And the girl them not have no sense.
I would look here, them want hood in
Tell
them
them
hole.
to do not. That is it, Sultania.
A hood them want. Them not want nothing but hood. Them not care what else come with the hood. Them will take a responsibility. Them just want the hood in them throat back and them hole. While them pass one screen record, I hear one girl I say, then why when you fly a Jamaica go take your hood? When you hear say the hood are going to burn from when they are Jamaica. And you fly the hood come over, yeah?
And it give a problem from Jamaica, then where you did expect.
They expect but when you come up here with it.
Hey, some of
Me?
them blind Bartino tell
There's
you.
somebody in the comment section, no? That's why I'm gonna blame K fly come here for it.
Uno not call K name, uno go and leave K
There's
alone.
somebody, no, that's why I'm gonna blame K fly come here for it. Thank you, my
Listen to
baby.
me, K, let me tell you something. K was smart, girl. Them can't stay there. K, them don't know. K was smart, blood clot.
K live from her mistakes. That's the
K was
problem.
smart, girl.
Some of
Don't
them
think
make
that K are
mistake.
idiot.
Some of them make mistake and them not live from it.
K was smart piece of girl.
K is very smart because
Smart.
Ken proposed to K, knowing that see me and come live with me is two different person. Me I come
And them a work okay. Them things they K don't know half hour go on.
look here
Let
now,
me tell you
auntie.
something.
You come visit a man once and spend 1 or 2 weeks with a man doesn't mean you know the man.
Listen to me, you know. Jesus didn't know who Judas be, and he never addressed him. Remember, tell us something, Shani. Me there with boy already, and know the boy a
Guys,
demon.
gonna snipe this now.
Me there with the boy already, and know the boy a demons. And me just watch the boy fuck up himself in the process.
Snipe.
You hear me, I tell you? Me watch boy fuck themselves up in the process.
That is it.
Shani,
Thank you,
I tell me,
Shane.
I tell you.
Nene, big up. Shane, thank you, my baby. Well, I know. KK
Shani,
gets
a big up. Nikita, plus staff.
KK
Everybody
gets
we
a
are
blood,
top.
my
Andre,
baby.
O'Neal, Kishi.
Shane, Nene, Samantha,
Nothing,
Fritters. Big up on
nothing like
yourself.
when you can play the fool. For fool the fool, them will think them a fool
Hold on,
blood.
auntie. Hear that. Hear this now. Hear this now, auntie. What trick the foreigner them, you know? You not live with the man in Jamaica. You fly, come out, the least you're going to spend is a 2 week. And you get a royal treatment. Cause remember,
Presidential
just
treatment.
after you accommodate you just for 2 fucking weeks. So I'm going to count down the days them because you have to go. So you're going to get the best treatment of your life. And then kill a dead now, you find a goal. Remember, you know, a 2 week out of the fucking year, or probably 2 times out of the year you can come. And you spend 2 weeks. Your case not stupid. You don't live with a person actually for know this person. You have to fly, come live with this man yeah, for know who him fuck.
See me and come live with me are two different things. Shani, come here. Me I tell them not the man them new style where them have now at Jamaica. You see when them find the girl them a foreign, the first 2 times the girl them offer them money. Hear them no baby man.
No man, me alright, man.
Yeah, no send
I
them
this
money for
tragedy. I this tragedy. We know about it, auntie. No man, mama, I'm a good man. What you talk about, man?
good
No
man. I want
man.
your mama.
One year, mama,
One
man,
year,
I have this man.
me fly you in.
Yeah, man.
Me,
Yeah,
and them
mama,
come
you
up with
crazy,
money
mama.
and
Me don't
fly
want
you
your
in
money.
too.
Me don't want your money, mama. You're crazy. Hey, me I tell you something, auntie. Me have a cousin, you know. Me have a cousin what take.
And you can't tell them, say the man no love them, can hear them now. He no want nothing from
Him don't
mama.
want nothing from me come half him and him not take it. Guys, power tap his screen. Auntie, come here. Me have a cousin. We have a cousin. We take pure car, man. Nice car, you know. Angler sell.
Then after 2 weeks, them start come with sad story. That is it this morning.
Well, after she find this man and drive a nice Jeep, you know. Anyway, I see she come there and him drop her off at the yard and I see she go in at the yard. 2 rows, 2 different person, 2 roses. 2 different person, 2 roses, guys. Now catch a speed. She and my baby. KK, thank you. Well, I know, auntie, after she go in the yard, I don't know what she said to the man, you know. Is it that look like she tell the man, say she beg him buy her gas. She beg him buy her gas or something. But
Please, chat.
she left going at the yard. Yes, when she go in the yard, the man know say me her cousin, you know. Yeah, the man, no. Boy, you want me buy, like him say, boy, you want me for buy cylinder gas. Cooper your pussy clot where me have 2 puncher. If me tire puncher, you can buy me 2 tire. The boy, they want tire upon them car now.
They gonna have money go now.
The man, they want tire upon them car. And them know say, me not a cousin, and him tell me, you know. See me, this is why she come out with the cylinder gas to van. When she come out with its empty cylinder upon the Jeep gone, she have to lift him back the cylinder carry tea in.
Oh God. Hey, woman go through it, you know.
So, is a reason why you sit down by your pussy. Sit down upon it pussy clot.
Hey, but that's the lie. I'm sorry for them. God knows I'm sorry for them. Jesus.
Guys, you know, we can't push up a score. Me. Then me ask if for 1 cylinder, I guess, 3,000 for a cylinder, I guess, now you have to ask me can buy you 1 tire. 1 car tire. You don't want to know. Me don't want to know, my love.
I'd rather stay single. Because Shani, you see, me know what I bring to the table. Me don't need my any table. Desmolin. Hey, I saw one of them did a try out for Desmolin, Shani. A good thing so when me I keep school, Desmolin, they're the front of the class.
Well, if at school, me keep over here and them not listen to me. By the time I look them reaching on my day, I say, but me talk about this span the life.
Desmolin, they're the front of the class. One of them depend up here. You know, baby, don't shoot for me. Don't shoot for me, baby. I don't want you to do that. Just stay on my screen and tap my screen. And as time go on, you know, man. Hey, Shani. One day I text Desmolin and say, I have a heart problem. And how much 47,000.
Original, you know, I'm going to say, my baby, thank you.
So yeah, Desmolin call me, you know.
Baby.
Desmolin say, how much you do the heart test at Jamaica, boss lady? I said, $3,500. Desmolin say, what? And he said, $47,000 for do the heart test. I said, yeah. Wait, no. Me and Desmolin know me and Desmolin plan film, you know. Say, you know, say, some boy a real sweetie bag, you know. Hear what Desmolin do him now. Desmolin shock him, you know. One day out of the blues, he not talk to Desmolin for about 2 weeks.
Snipe, guys, snipe.
Yeah, not today. Him not talk to Desmolin for about 2 weeks, Shani. Then watch this though, no. Star girl, big up your when you look. Desmolin shock him with a receipt. Desmolin said him something and shock him with a receipt. Shani, hear him now? Can't tell you when he said that the vice note. Hear him. 2 weeks,
Thank you, no, guys. Thank you.
You get a gloves, baby, plus tax. Jay, kiss you, big up your body where I talk. I say, hear the man, when him get the receipt from, with the local change where there's money, the boy, them don't know, say there's many more where that came from, you know. 2 weeks, him a blood clot, shadow, and there's money, nah, look. You see when him get the receipt, hear the vice note. That's my baby. That's my baby.
My lover.
You, man.
Yeah.
I laugh till I piss me and Desmolin. Me say I laugh till I piss Shani. Because I don't know what kind of dirty man them here in the earth.
I tell you something, auntie. You see you inform Desmolin. Some of them me not inform them. You know why? I mean I say me have a problem with them or me I work them. Well, I know. You see like how you tell Desmolin say. And that for the artists, some of them me not tell them, you know, me make them send them go get the money. You know why? Because if a family or a friend beg them something, them not give them. A man alone get them things.
A man alone get some of them things for sure. But me have to protect my Desmolin. God do over.
Oh, that's why I say you and Des have a different link.
Why is the 47,000 for do the artist? I want thing with Desmolin.
Des not have a different link. Some of them, you will sit down. I and them reason, them I never consider say, all right then. Let me send her a juice money. We never say if I send it, come give it because we not start a night. But if
Me
the
have a
boy them
family.
can't go, some of them are man alone get their money.
And me have a family where I buy fuck like dog at Jamaica, yeah. And the boy no want her from here, so to out upon the show road this stuff. And Shani, me not tell her nothing, me not cry blood clot news.
That me I
Me
tell you,
business with nobody because listen to me, a man alone get them things, so me leave them.
man alone get them things.
One
Guys,
road
one
chat,
rule. Just no
me.
one if you type back over here, you get black and you do have a badge to your name. I'm going to do no like Rosalie. You do have a badge to your name. Guys, one rose. Some of them me will say to me.
Tanya, baby, thank you. You must be mad.
Another a person for back food out of people
Some
mouth.
of them you have to make them go on and make the man them deal with them or them a deal
Yeah,
with
some
them.
of them have forget it.
Desmolin, I know that Desmolin, they are the front of the blood clot class. Desmolin, I troubleshoot no blood clot. None of them have nothing to get. Oh, anything pan a double when it start. You must
Guys, one rose, you know? One single rose.
anything pan a double chat me. Them a blood clot, boy. You have to know your word. Not shibling. You
The boy
have
them
to
pan the
know
app.
your word.
Hey, auntie, you see the boy them pan the app? Go in our DM and look up in our DM and pay scavenger, you know? Pay scavenger.
Double chat.
But you see the boy them pan the app or look something, them not DM me, you know, because them look for me and them say criminal.
Yeah, so them not. No, them none.
Them not look for me, you
Them
know.
know
But you see
we.
the
Them know.
gifters, them with the big badge, them target them, you know.
That's why Desmolin like a farbadge and stop give. Cause them target Desmolin in back, you know. Me say, and the whole of them pan the app look like them a work together. Them
Guys,
couple
when
of
something upon the
police
double
a
now,
work together for like half dance. Me say the whole of them pan the app work together. When them finish with one, them send on the next one pan ya. So them cause them know the girl them desperate for man
you know,
over
so
here.
the girl them love wood. Because them there in a foreign country and the wood them over them and I know if the cold sleep up a boy, them would make it little and short. So them not want the foreign wood them come out here when it's them come out here where it's sunny, where the wood then
Come
stretch.
here. You see, if you make your life based up off a wood, then you're not going to stop leading a self-destruction. Come here, Shani. All one look soft food man me that day with now with him look good ways. Me go and trade him carrot for my greta. As long as me happy and he make me happy and comfortable, me go and trade the carrot for the greta. Me not run down stiff food, my love. Stiff food not have no
But
conscience.
what me want tell them is this, auntie. If we live out here with the man
Come
them
here.
and them
Mr.
a give
Stiff
problem.
Shani, stiff food not no conscience. Come here. Me go and throw that boy look for soft cocky for my greta and work with him. Stiff food don't have
Auntie,
no
listen this now.
conscience.
If we are in Jamaica, you live with the man them, and them a give a problem, I will live near them, right in the eye. What about you? We have to take how much miles away? Where they over much miles away from them? Where you
Fucking
never gonna do?
fool. A fool.
There's a reason why them a run from we out here because they can't fool we no more.
Right? And that the girl them a foreign not understand. The girl them a foreign feel like say them better than the girl them a Jamaica because them not understand say the boy them can't bother with we cause we too smart now. And I uno idiot and the man them love idiot. Man
You
like
can't.
idiot. Yeah. Them can't take we for idiot, so them can't bother with we cause we too blood clot smart for them. So them like the idiot girl them. Them go on with them a go cause me not be no fool in love a blood clot, you
You
crazy.
notice all of the TikTok of them, what them do, they with them gifters them.
True?
Nah, them they with them gifters them, and them not, they with the gifters them with a 13 badge and a 14 badge.
Trust
40 and
none. Shani
40
we
and
can't
40.
bother you cause Shani wig pan her head a fair money by it. Shani a real original hot girl and a she buy her wig. So all the wig fair bother you. Shani wig is very expensive
We just
and a
black
she buy her wig.
We
You
just
have
black.
a wig, trust none? You have any wig? There's money in the tree that you suck with blood clot. That's all when you come over your
Thank you, my
come.
babies. Thank you. But just black them. All right, my baby. Thank you, cake. But just black, just no one over your car. Hear him no for suck him. I mean, I know who them say suck me. I know we got bad myself, right, just so. No long for us to come take it off of my head.
Me, I saw them there I'm for deal with me me here like over here. I remember me have no image to maintain, no blood clot. I don't have no image to maintain. Furthermore, me never like this thing on my head, no blood clot to make me look all too these things. Me dying to pull it out and look mad. Cause
And
me
take
like
catch up
look
the
mad,
ear,
no
you know,
blood
you drop it
clot.
down there. Because look at your style nice when you drop it down and you flick it up in the ear so like a bun.
Me never like look nice.
You know, say black them, that's why them go over some we got bad at
Yeah,
there.
look nice. I like favor escapes. Cause when you look nice, you attract too much thief and criminal from your blood clot and bad energy and bad spirit. That's why I like look like a mad girl. Come on, people love me for me. Love me for my natural self. Nobody come love me because me pretty one day. Me no depend that. Me not attract no fake energy for me. Me want you love me for my mad blood clot self. One ya.
For them guys.
Me run a joke with you know. You better love me for my mad blood clot self. I to do know.
This one they probably not have no bed for sleep on.
Exactly.
Like two roses.
Two
Two
rose
roses. You know, so when it was Corona, I know so whole of people now have no house. You know, so Corona, I know so whole of hot girl homeless.
holy.
Corona, I know people get a look at house, you know.
Then you know, see where they when time Johnny's a travel. You know, remember the story with Johnny's where they shun the man, where travel go all about over the world and Johnny's at and putting a blood clot, you know, see where Johnny's live. Double track.
Jeez. And them video teams are cool, man.
Hey, listen to
Hey,
me.
if I wanted the blood clean you as sleeping with the enemy, because the man a grind Johnny's and a video Johnny's house, you know.
Ooh,
Mercy, God.
you know,
Johnny's
so much
dual body. Johnny's dual body.
argument with you.
Johnny's dual body.
They might prepare rather buy a car more than buy a piece of land and build a house for it.
And then power tap his screen, man. Now.
And them so house can't skate on the toll. Well, yeah, I don't know where Chinese get so much pot from. That she must be around food shop.
A chef.
Shash. Listen to me, man. I want if a girl they all live some blood clot life if only you don't know.
Them cool like I.
Instead of a girl them a live some breeder life, yeah, if only you don't know. Trust me.
Role model them.
Ah,
Them
Jesus.
sip on the internet and said, but them sip on the internet and says the people them is them role model.
Everybody a actor. Diamond say one man stay at town and they pan a diamond that they know diamond so black. Diamond say tap me the internet fool on me that black blood clot girl and the filter. Diamond say and the filter make me look brown. Me a black girl and you say tap me the internet fool on know.
Them live for the internet, man. Them live for the things them on the internet, you for.
Yeah, everything what them post them live for me.
Them say, somebody said Janice do over back her body again since recent.
So
Janice
Johnny's
do
not do
over
over
body
back the
since
house.
that again.
So Johnny's not do over back the house.
After Janice not travel with the house, auntie. You know what I'm saying? I tell you something, auntie. You see all of this body doing thing cause from the man them, you know. You see the man them? And them cause the body do.
Them feel uncomfortable in them skin.
And now the girl them start do them body and fragile.
One man did that tear on the internet, yeah.
Now them do the body now, auntie, and now them fragile. The man them I tell us them like natural body. You think them big pussy boy are easy. The big pussy boy them easy.
Come here, Shani. When them do the body, Shani, them pussy go in the process, you know. I feel say the surgeon teeth, them pussy go sell it from black over the dark web. Because what make all of the girls them 60 and do them body now keep no man. That means that the surgeon teeth them pussy and sell it over the dark web because
Put them
what make the
pussy in
body
the
do and them
navel.
not have no pussy.
I want them put the pussy with the navel there. The navel they look right it to me now. Why the navel have to look so though?
Serious man, is some of them have smell. Yeah.
I didn't snipe. Why them navel have to look so though, auntie? Ever see it? Some of them navel are lay up in and under them breasts.
I don't know, Shani. As so Papi they tell me, say, Mommy, anytime me have a piece of money, me I make you go do your body. Me say, Papi, you take it and go do your body. You mad. Do this body I want. You want the man them run from me. You don't say every pretty dolly with shape good now keep the man. Me say, Papi, go take it do your body, no blood clot, but do this.
It's a tank
Blood clot shape.
Yeah.
Leave me go fall up like cartridge paper, Papi. Leave me. Pay man want me, the man them want lay down for me and feel like it's a teddy bear, them want feel
So
cushion.
what do you me pass a screen record and the man them I say them can't bother with the girl them with the do body. Me I say Jesus Christ, and they make a girl them go do the body. Somebody say I always I wonder what I'm to them neighbor for true. Something wrong with them neighbor.
You can't live for please them boy, yeah. They make you self-destruct yourself. Then as to me you want shape goal. Me I live with my 14 blood clot shape. Me I fold up like cartridge paper in a blood clot Kingston bookshop. Leave me with them shape where me have my love, my proud of it. The man
Man
them
them
don't
want
want to live
them.
for true.
I hear the interview, the man them say them can't bother with the girl them a do body, them fragile. Them fragile. You know what them usually talk about the woman them for do body and take out piece of them side and
I don't sick,
them
stink, you know. Cause me, one time when me did a came man, you know, me there with this policeman and him call me and him say, Angela, when
guys,
you
I can't
come
tap the
home.
screen.
The policeman said to me, say, Angela, when you come home, me say, what? You're me tired of them, girl, especially the brown in them stink. I'm tired of them. Them stink, man, especially the one them are brown and pretty and shape good. Them stink. Something about them not right. The man say when me have fuck them not fuck back neither to me can't bother with them is when you come down. Me say I leave me out to him name. Him no wrong for call me and complain about the girl them. Him say especially the
You know
brown in
what make them stink, auntie?
I don't know the man say him don't want another browning for fuck and him can't understand how what make them as things so like them a decompose. 2 rows short.
A different discharge in them hole make them stink, you know.
Yeah, them pH now balance. them
That really embarrassing,
pH,
though.
them pH one line and balance. Thank you for this pH. Listen to me now. Some of them.
Somebody say, imagine having kids to live for and left go risk my life for go do
When you
body.
can lose your life, I true. God, boy, I don't
Look
know.
here, nothing at all keep a man. Unless the man want tan with you. So if you do your body, that's what I'm telling them. Say if you suck good or you don't suck good, you're going to get born. It's mandatory. If you do the body or you
The
don't do the
younger
body, you're going
send
to get
fluffy
born.
tiny big up. The younger send pussy for carry his rank.
Me and Fred start that over here every day. The only
Only
sentient pussy
send pussy
carry is
must carry
red.
his rank. Pussy no fi have no look of fishy foul it smell.
The sardine smell.
No.
Hey, you ever go in a bathroom and piss off of somebody?
And them smell.
What them go a bathroom, carry my mother go a Art Institute, go get her check up. So she do her surgery. And one lady go into the bathroom, one fat lady. Like she really fat, but she not old. Go pee. And it's like I'm gonna knock the door and she there in there and then I'm the outside I wait for her for come out. And then due to all the piece about me, I go in right after her and I'm say me for come out back to bumbo clot, man.
Think.
Jesus Christ, man. Mm-mm. It's me bad.
Some of them have some things. Some of them
You
have
know,
some
say
serious
auntie. Me
medical
no know a woman
condition.
can. You see right here, so?
Probably because of illness, you know, because you see cancer to make you stink, you know.
Auntie, you see right here, so? Give every center of your body, you know. You push your nose in there, you smell your mouth when you talk. You smell under your breast, you smell your pussy center come up. Every scent color you see in your bosom. So if you want to know you stink, you should be your nose in there, so and do so. You
You didn't
smell
know say
everything.
sometimes the urine carry a odor and not the vagina. You see the urine itself can carry a odor too, you know. When like especially when them have UTI.
Or if them up on meds too.
Yeah, the urine itself can carry a odor.
I mean, not like my beg God, no make me reach them the stage where me I carry scent to blood clot. Me. It's embarrassing when you take off embarrassing when you take off your clothes in front of one man and him smell you. And say put on back your clothes.
Especially in a AC. Thinking girl not for fuck in a
Oh,
AC.
I don't know if fuck alone. I have to go in the period. AC na
Period.
AC na
Would I
manners,
no
you know.
walk near no AC, man.
AC na carry manners, you know, man.
Somebody said the call center girl them trees there. But me I tell you something, me not laugh on a serious note. AC the whole message show.
MC not have no manners. You don't go in a AC if you have
Big
no
up,
formal.
brave. Miss Jove, big up, side power, and what me I tell you.
Guys, look how much I want over here. We're not going to work with them scoring.
You know, it's the only we can heal the nation, though. Me I tell you something. You see, sometimes if you smell somebody worse, if in the workplace, somebody will work in the area where you work, or somebody wrong you, and you smell
Power tap. Power tap is free.
embarrass them. You must just tell them or try get a way out if you can help them. But you see, you can me encounter with whole heap of them people, you know, Shani. And you see, you have to just either you call them one side and try to protect them from it, try get them help rather than make them feel embarrassed. You know them way there? No man, OT, you can't tell them a lot. Let me tell you something. A lot of people trouble with odor and them stop smell it after a time. It get
I get
immune
immune
to
to them.
So
Right.
them stop smell it. So if somebody
Guys, in a
don't
power
highlight
tap.
it to them, somebody don't highlight it to them not gonna know how to deal with it. So sometimes you can't embarrass them, you know, you have to just make them know. Some of them you have to just make them know. Some of them lost them sense of smell when them have it long, you know. Yeah, them know people business, it doesn't matter, but you can't just tell them and try it. Me not embarrass.
Everybody take, and everybody take it. And everybody are going to take the anti. Some people, we want war with you.
No, but it depends on how you tell them. How you tell them, you know, Shani. You can't tell, you just have to tell them in a way, call them on one side and start a little conscious reasoning. You understand me? Sometimes how you tell people, you know.
Well, auntie, me no know how to break. Me no know how to tell them for them not feel embarrassed. Anyway, I give it to them.
Alright, you know, so me did have one little sister. My little sister, she always have when she have fuck, you know, one man can't please her, you know. All 20 man have to fuck her one time, you know. 2 rows chat. You appear Duracell she deal with, and I know nobody a battery her. She a give them.
Like it, yeah.
Yeah, she like it. And Duracell she deal with straight. Period. When you look, all 1,000 man line up a doorway and she in the house. So she did have a terrible smell, right? She have a terrible smell. Me carry her go doctor feet more than one time. So me get medication feet, I saw it come back. So it go, I saw it come. So it go, I saw it come. And you know say, me surprised how she have so much feet and none of them they born blind. Because that infection never leave her. And you know say she died other day. And you know what happened? Cancer. That's why the infection keep her come back. That's why it keep her come back and it now go. You see, sometimes when you see her have odor, and even though you get medication feet and it now go nowhere, that means you have a serious underlying condition. There is something else in the body where now make the body fight against the infection. Some immune system disorder, something different in the body will make the immune system now fight. You hear that? Because me no know women, me no know which doctor me no care her go Shani. Doctor give me all paper for her partner. When me come back with the paper, me have to bust up the paper in a whole heap with scissors and give the whole of the man them a battery. I say, I come here. Anybody will fuck man that laugh? No. Every man start laugh. Me have to cut up the paper and give everybody. Me say, I the doctor up a slipping road. I call the whole of them up there. I don't know which doctor I don't care her go. But when you try to see certain things that happen, there are other underlying conditions where cause it. That's why the medication now fight it. Because I think enough of them probably go Dr. Shani and it not help them. Because I'm going to tell you something, especially private doctor. You see if you have in a order, Don't go to private doctor. Private doctor work after what you tell them.
Yeah,
And
what
what
happened?
you tell them. Private doctor no work after them test and them do something. If you're having an infection problem, try find a health center where them are going to do blood test, check for this.
Yeah, they're not gonna run the test by them, just how give medications based off of how you
Private doctor them work with, and remember I tell you say, you know, if you go private doctor, for example, you have trichomania, right? When you go and you tell the doctor this, him tell you say a chlamydia. Him treat you for chlamydia, and the medication that treats chlamydia don't treat trichomania. So what you think happen? It no gone. Because you get the wrong medication, it might treat something where you don't have. So that is why it don't good for you go a private doctor. Broken big up. It not good for you go private doctor. It better you just go to a health center. But you know some people problem, Shani? Pride make a lot of people afraid to sit down in the health center, them, especially up a Stipend Road. Me know a girl afraid to sit down at section 3. Afraid. Shani, one day I go up section 3. Breathe, thank you, Nashi. Everybody we are tap big up on yourself. You know what's one time?
One in section 3.
Up a Stipend Road, man.
Never go up there.
I know your region that.
No man, that's what I tell you, ask me when name so.
Yes, section 3 up a Stipend Road. They saw them deal with all pussy problem.
Okay.
All pussy problem deal with a section 3. Section 3, 2 deal with general. Section 5 deal with baby mother, pregnancy and them something there. Section 1 deal with dental and them something there. Section 3 now are the pussy part. So anytime people see you sit down they say either you have pussy or body problem. So anything people afraid for go sit down on section 3. And one thing with me, I run for sit down up there and prawl off. Bro, I lay down on the bench them so shiny. Mr. Me lay down on the bench and brawling. One day me and my friend go up there, you know. Cause up there, you know, you can't go section 3 if you not do AIDS test, you know. The AIDS test,
do it first.
you know. You can't, some people afraid all to do AIDS test. Me?
Yeah, bad. I'm
Shani,
afraid
if you go there, the first thing them do, you can't do nothing else without doing the AIDS test. That's the first part that them a draw the blood.
I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there.
Them time them do the water commission man. And the water commission man don't work and come up there and wait for me. My friend get a result long time and I wait for me. My result can't come out. Me say blood clot. This fever like me dead now. Oh, my result that takes so long. All the man sit down, you can't sit them a fret cold sweat and wash him, you know. Time I say, oh, you're not take so long and fear won't come. Me say, well, it look like we're dead now, then, you know, it look like say something not right. My result look like it last. Me don't know. You understand me, Shani? But it's one thing I know. But when the result come out, Shani, and the doctor, them up there with you say, so when them call you silently like a something, them have for blood clot, tell you, you know. But say, Shani, them disgusting. Up a section 3, but it's one
Guys,
thing.
for what?
Give 2 rose shot. Let me tell you something. Never you afraid to go get your body checked out. Don't afraid of that. Hey, Shani, may I tell you something? You see everybody, the AIDS bus there? Them right now, the AIDS bus text me last week. Me have to tell the man says Westmoreland me there. The man said, Miss James,
Like one more rule.
Me say me there Westmoreland. Cause anyway, me see the bus me chucking it.
I get a 2 grand.
Them, listen now, I never know some forget pay, you know. You know how me know me forget pay? Come here, how me know me forget pay, Shani. Me go down a back to and see the bus. One different bus. So when me chucking at the bus, anyway, you know, the lady say, when last you do it? Me tell the woman like, you know, every 3 months you have to do it. But true, me want she do it over back. The woman say, if you do it recently, no make no sense to do it again, you know. And the woman tell me, say, him for pay, you know, for take on a test, him for pay, you know. Me say,
I'm for collect the 2 grand them, my love.
The woman give me 3-5 the day and take my blood. And I said, so me never know same for pay. Me the woman say,
money. Me in a ram for sit down in there and collect the 2 grand them. Stick my blood clot finger and collect the 2 grand.
Shani, me no ram for see the bus and jump in it. Head where?
Supposed to have one. We supposed to have all of them in my blood clot person now because we're my favorite.
No, you're not afraid to answer them. Them have to pay you for do your blood. I pay them get to go around and do it. Me no ram for jumping at the blood. So when you ask me when me them not interested, can never pay me for take my blood and the next woman when me stay back. You're crazy.
Never pay me.
Them for pay you 3-5 the woman give me down a back to for jar my blood.
Yeah, me and them have to pay me.
Yeah.
Up and down in a them.
No, Alwen, Shani alwen me now fuck me I run up and down in the bus.
September. Crazy.
Yeah, me I run up and down in the bus alwen me now fuck. Me not afraid.
I'm going to collect it 2 grand.
Shani come here, me have one friend. Sliping would tired her up a section 3. You know what she do? She not even a fuck, she not have no man. Every month she go up there just to get the free medication. She tell the doctor them she have this, she has scratch, she had this eye. So when she get the medication,
Tell them.
yeah, she tell them and them looking around the doctor, them ask nothing to do, I know, but them still a get a prescription. And when she got a drug serve and she get the medication, them she come back, come sell them. Pure sell, she sell them. Every month and she now
When I saw the woman them afraid for go up the hospital.
the people come buy medication for you, them not going. She now fuck but every month she present up there. And you know what she have a style what she do to know what children hospital she a text it pan. And when the people them now have nothing she up there. Ready them want one of the medicine with the chest pan it, what name? What that medicine the name we fi cold man. We have the chest pan it for picnic.
Yeah.
God, she sell them 15 bills a one. She cry the picking them up her children all when nothing do them. Nothing do them. She just get the free medication and go sell them back 15
Better
bills.
people them know for survive your fucking man.
Drug serve, she get them from her mad. Every month she present what's happening with her, she not sexing. Every month. While some girl we are fucking stink afraid for go up there, them nah go up there, go sit down shiny. Them afraid. Crystal big up, Nashi. Hey, when the AIDS call for my baby father name Shani. Borex, that is it, Yanni. Borex fit name.
Big up. Richard, everybody was
For my baby father name. Shani, everywhere I see out a minutes child, me go. Hey, when me hear say my dear father have AIDS, me go to minutes child. Come say, me, after take, me now make that room I catch my name, Ross, me know me and him left for much years. Me now make that room I take me say me no wrong, Shani. Every time I take the test, I post up my result, them all about the place. I walk up and down, I paste, one time I paste, my result on my fire with one glue, and I say, you could make a blood clot room I catch me, go suck your mama. I want to alone at dead.
One thing in that room of the stain, it come like batty, you know. Batty, you know, man. When batty stain, you stain, you know, man. When you call for your name, you stain, you know, brother.
You staying for life to blood clot me. Me walk with my result for my forehead. Cause them room there are some serious room of a stain.
Serious room for this.
One girl when get to see me over me pensaria look for me like she's the she not dead yet.
Yeah. Oh, she not sore yet.
Oh, me not dead and store up and me and jump on alone and die. Right now, Mr. told the boy wicked him dead and still a kill people, Shani. The amount of people are dead after him and I still after him. Wicked and still a kill the people them. But you know why? Me I tell you why my baby father kill so much people now. Money. My baby father was done, you know. And a pure money him give people. Him love. Y'all is mad. The mother than them full of y'all. And them love the money, because when him give them money and money, you know, them like the money. Shani him try to use the money for come catch me, for give me the AIDS, you know. But true, me love me more than the money. Shani, come here. No, oh, me know my dear father have AIDS. Before him come back and look me back. Shani, every jail house you go in Jamaica, there's that prisoner when no in jail. Especially I rise the GP and Spanish Town. Every lockup catch room is a prisoner, the blood clot is prisoner I work. All of my life is prisoner I work with. So every lockup you go, in the blood clot country, there is a prisoner there when no angel. But say Shani, and when him essential first, him drop down and me get the call. The man them say, be father, drop down front of the bottom and sell out 10, like him stick you up. Say, I want to go with him. Then them pull him a high rise there. When him go high rise, we get a call again. Say, look like your big father have AIDS, you know, them move him down around medical, you know. I say, yeah, a big thing.
Them catch it before him go in there?
The boy have AIDS before him going there. When him going there, him find out, say him have it. Drop down over in there. Him drop down essential and them move him go high rise. Now when him go high rise, now they surround him. They call them find out the item have. But Chuka, him see one boy I walk with my picture around him neck in a high rise in your ear. Where you know that girl left from? So the boy said to him, say, where you mean when I know my woman from? So the boy call me now and the boy say, you know such man from Garden, Ray. Me say, yeah man, I'm a father. The boy say, you know why you try and say if you dead. Me say, yeah, trim can't give him AIDS. That's why I'm not like me. Me say the boy say, Trant angel when him see a picture around my neck. And him know me for call about and him know a pay murder and me fuck to like himself. So him not really like me, no shiny. That everywhere you turn in a jail, one boy when couldn't ramp with a Damien the devil. You know Damien Johnny?
Where him come from?
Damien, I'm a man. I'm a baby that.
Dead.
Damien Thomas.
Him dead.
Yeah, them kill him over high rise. Then them mash up bulb in a rum game and kill him. Is
That's a
what
cancer him have.
no cancer, kidney problem. Them mash up bulb. You know the bulb them on Jonas ban. Him send a water go buy rum and them mash up the bulb, put in the rum. And it cut up in him and then them bring him to the public and put him for lay down and kill him after them kill him.
But the man they prison from him a picnic, so where you meet him from?
From them at 12 him there prison in I prison them meet him.
So that may I say?
Damien under the Governor General Ledger, you know, Jamaica changed 6 GG since Damien they are prison, you know. And him right to the 6 Governor General them and none of them never answer him, you know.
I know him there from him a little picnic, that's why I say how you know him.
Then in a prison them meet him.
So you work in a prison?
Shani me do everything as Bandulo. Me used to sell all weed for Damien and them something there.
And what him brother when I think him last brother dead what day.
One of him brother did in a encouragement to, you know. One of him brother did in a
brother dead in a Spanglers what day.
Prison Damien stay and bury him brother were dead in a encouragement. Prison Damien stay. What hey Damien dep on a black Shani.
Hey bro,
Queen over Shani there so. From Mr. Shani face like that. Hey,
bro, mama big up. Long time I not see a girl
big up Kishi Pine, Lauren, 5 kids, Bree, all the roads we are top, big up on yourself. Shani, come here. You know, say Damien dep on a black we have 8 cell. Damien dep on isolation, you know, a soldier up there, you know. Damien dep on a black we have 8 cell, and if Damien don't request.
Yeah man, big up my baby.
If Damien don't request for company up there, them can't put nobody up there. Them can't put nobody up there with him. You mad? You know what mate and water Damien kill since him there prison?
Yeah, dangerous boy, I know.
Damien dep on isolation, and him alone dep on him black. One of the time Damien send one water come to me. Damien send one water come to me, you know, for things, you know. Shani, when I tell him I like the water and start get water too fuck, and look water short and nice. I start get water too fucking and Shani, you don't know what say.
Guys in the water please.
Shani, come here. Come here, Shani.
I'm gonna do this with you now.
Then the water come to me for deal with business. I mean like the water I start bust too fuck for the water. Say the Lord say the water cold like yeah, here the water angel. Anyway, knows to me and fuck him and kill me, you know. You can't do that, you know. I say nah no man we hold long the petrol. You know look how you dance so.
Yeah.
I don't know who tell Damien. Say me the water fuck. Hey, the water I have to walk wide in the prison man. Every day Damien check him. Day in, day out. I don't before that big pussy girl, I kill her in the water boy. I go suck your mother girl. Watch him ever do. Be a chant.
Auntie, what you and Damien get for fuck?
Me and Damien no fuck man. Oh, me and him for fuck and Damien the vibe.
So no day.
Then the man, Shani, when me and him do over phone, pussy and cocky over phone and business. Shani, Damien in the prison have over 50 and chip.
You my baby, thank you.
Shani, come here up on the phone with there. There, listen to me now. Mr. Shani, do you know, say Damien class me and the water, you know what save the water? Because Damien takes it for him and him afraid, you know. One at the time, him a big transfer, one and move him for high rise. Afraid like that. You know what save him? Through Damien keep the man them phone. Because through up the hardly search. The search team don't really go up there. When them a search at the Caribbean search team have to go up at him. So a man will send them phone up there go hide and stuff.
Guys, nobody now tap his screen.
Mr. Shani, you know, the search team I go up the Damien one day. And Damien drop down the whole of the phone them a ground. And you know, say it happened that's him a work at the cell when they and drop down the phone them and him walk me the cell and make the man them take up the phone them. And
Then
that
get the ratings.
and that. But hey, say that boy they afraid him.
Anybody would have afraid. Anybody about that name there.
The blood clot.
And that's why more like brother them staying at auntie.
Terrible man. The whole of the mother womb cursed.
Mother woman. All of them I saw them stay. You must say last one they run a spanglers what they am a
Hey,
customer.
one at the time, all vibes cartel, Damien had texted for in the car, Damien, same as singing, him sing one song and call my name, and the song sound horrible. But say if you ever hear the song, Shani, when I met my friend, them listen to the song, the whole of it then. The song sound horrible, Damien, same as told artist. I want cartel, send the song, I'll shoot the cartel, and pay them the man, I'll cartel them a free one at the time.
Guys, we will get some rose now.
One more rose,
One
John.
more rose.
Hey,
One
Damien,
more rose.
yeah, man, did have a boy with the pan ledger to side. I'm named Nastive. That boy that's supposed to be a Spanish town now. Nastive, I can't forget that boy there. I used to work for that boy the two at the time. I'm most Spanish town.
This day. So auntie, where you get them from for work for them?
Shani, one at the time, one have a Spanish town say, hey, girl, when you just say, now you bring the whole out the road in a prison. I prison my work, Shani. When me I carrying money in the prison, I 400,000 I lay down in my drawers like pad in a 3x7 bag, you know. Me no I'm a workplace them the Shani when me young. I'm a place to work.
Cause whole heap of girl they in a they with the man them in a prison, them take care of them in a man.
No boy I road now no money Shani. You know hear me and tell the type prison them have money. I think I joke. Chat on the power tap the screen now.
I know that, I know that.
When I'm afraid I'm not don't live the life already and you say I'm past me I talk but when I come in my future with it. You know about my past, how to come in my future.
A present tense.
I'm a present me now, you know, I'm telling you about my future, you know. But with my past, you know, don't leave me.
Guys, now push up his score.
Shani, I'm full of prisoner like that. Whoever tells you I'm full of prisoner, I know, every lock up you go, yeah, I tell you, every lock up you turn in a Jamaica, yeah. There is a prisoner when you know me. Remember, I tell you, Brady, you go.
That's actually good though.
You know, my workplace when me I carry money, because Spanish Town prison keep every minute them keep something in the chapel. Things ever I keep. I in a 3x7 bag, me have to lay down money in my pussy and carry like a pad.
Whoa!
No, I'm afraid of Damien and Damien love me like what? Damien love me,
Dangerous boy, dangerous boy. Liberate you're in a ghost, my baby. Fretters, snow, everybody will tap his screen.
Big up, you know. Only Rose, Brady, positive vibes, Kisha, big up, King Future, mommy. Hey, Shani. Damien and teeth, you know.
Why them lick them out?
So John water lick out every teeth out of Damien. There must about 4 teeth Damien did have left in a female. So every minute them beat Damien and lick out a tooth. Over punish.
Guys, in a power tap his screen.
You see the inmate where Damien did kill a punish sound? It's sleep, Damien asleep and the inmate broke a warrant and you can't warrant Damien asleep. Anything you do, you have to make him know. So Damien wake up and kill it. You can't do that. It's him around the president. Anyway, you see him, you have to respect him. Presidential respect.
Damien know a dangerous boy in a lie.
You know, when Damien do a contract killing Damien do, the people are road. Top people are road. You hear me I tell you? No boy no money. I presume see I'm very for him brother when they didn't encourage him. Remember me tell you that. Damien have the whole of digital online in the prison. Credit for days.
Oh, yeah. I what they were in a prisoner. One of my customers them was a prisoner.
The first juvenile trial, I wait name the court in pan gun court pan.
Yeah, me know about him.
South Camp Road. Him the first juvenile trial that came.
Yeah, auntie. Me would have a customer where buy stuff from me where then a GP. Anytime you want stuff, him just pull my phone and credit. Them full of credit in there.
Full of credit, you fuck.
Yeah, full of credit, I'll 10,000 of credit them will send you.
Damien Thomas, man. Damien just dead.
What him last? Him brother dead. Him last brother.
Him last brother dead already. Come on, know so one did one at the time he did ask me to go human rights, go request son fee because them never take him out of the cell and him can't see. One at the time him can't stay out time hide him beer, it blurry because him not get no son. So he did send me go human rights. We go get.
Like auntie, a good no blood clot. You really work at it?
They don't want players. Tina, the whole of them dead now. Them mother blood bad.
All of them dead. The last one was my customer and him dead must say in October or November.
And I pay boy pin the mother
The
have.
boy pitney she have, she do have a daughter.
One of them dead.
The last one him name Praba.
One of them dead, I know.
All of them dead. Anyway, guys, me and auntie have matched the 17th of January.
17th of January, remember my birthday.
Jamaica time, 8 US time, 1 UK time. 17th of January.
I know boy I road now have money like prisoner. Remember me tell you.
Well, my prisoner have them money. Well, my prisoner have them money, man. The girl, me wonder why the girl in my south ever look at the man them a prisoner over GP.
Jesus Christ. Kasha alright, you know, but me not see she come live. Hey, you have one girl out of South, she terribly fuck. How dare she chick a man in her prison, so she a breed. That girl is terribly fuck. Yeah, them tough, you know. So, girl, them are some dangerous, girl, them still in the shiny.
Thank you, my baby. Guys, 10 more rows.
When you know, stand on my birthday that day, that's the day me I keep it at 22nd of January, my man. Just I keep it that day, the double. No, Shani have 2 nuggets over there. Me I beg you, me I know. A serious time now.
Madam Libra Queen over here, let's go away.
Somebody
Double, guys, double. Libra, I'm a girl in my real life, girl, you know, when I know in a real life.
Sammy Joe,
I'm
appears to the world right through. Boy, Shani, when I young, I live some blood clot life. I could have, that's why I tell people, say, if me dead now, me not gone too soon. You know, them just have to put fuck out on the top of my program. But me not gone too soon. The amount of life me live to blood clot, I'm not reach nowhere yet. Them can't just put fuck out on the program. But I put not gone too soon, because I don't live already to blood clot. Shani, I go some places and I fuck some man and I can't even talk. I shame like that. I can't.
You're young and reckless, you know.
Young and reckless, man. I can't even talk. I go some places on this blood clot planet here, you see? Hey, without telling everyone, you know, without telling them my past, how they love use it, I judge people.
Can't judge if you talk it. Nobody can judge it if you talk it.
Shani, listen to me, though, when they talk your past over here, and take it and beat you.
No, I just had say that. Oh, it take a beat you when you talk about it, and then nobody come spill it.
Right? Without telling I live some crazy life here, there's Molin Boshi. Daro! Hey, one time I have fucked 2 police down at the tow station one time and I cook some callaloo and saltfish fry, go give one and the other one sit down there. And the next one bust the plate, you know, you want to look to the other one, you know, so you can't eat.
Husband.
Oh, you can't eat out our pussy, you know, want to eat this. You can't eat it, because I know you eat our whole. Come here, chat to the 2 out around, now you have some 1 or 2 nuggets.
Your mother, my husband, there, you're crazy.
And so now I deal with me over here, only rose crystal, Sam Joe, big up, not shame.
Gloves, first time. Libra. Big up, you know, I get 6 and go away.
Bad teacher, big up.
I get 6, guys. I get the 6.
Yeah, today I'm in a feast. Tell them I go sit down over here and make you give me 6. Crystal, big up.
I got a couple screen.
Shani, then the same policeman, Suara, go on down a Rima, run out time jeep like him bad. And I beat him chest and I run in the people, them one girl stand up on him, hear him now. Hey, girl, you know, stuff going in here. Yeah, I'm now run fire, eat out a angel pussy like plate. Him just go back to the jeep and leave. Him no bother trouble the fight, him leave them, make them kill him. Hey, Mr. But I tell you lie. I run some risk that I don't feel like you have to do you know, gone to tap the screenshot, power.
Police and the soldier, them can name up.
Hey, what's that? Shani, you see, why are they with one of them never have money to give me yet? So here we go, I can't mean it, see? Meaning them not the money for give me say so when Montana come and them forget pay. Him circle every weed people and take on them weed can come give me all 10, 15, 20 pounds of weed that come. I bleaching cream when bleaching cream in illegal enough. If walk and tear on one of the shop them in the community and take out bleaching cream and money and then y'all go sell this cabin. No money for it.
You still consider it though.
Hey,
You
one of
still,
my friend knows said, I saw him stay. So when him got yard, one night him got take about 15 pounds a week from my yard call me. Angel, you know, say touch man come raid me house and him go with some cigarette and weed and I know how you are get them, you know. You can't give me them back and me give you a thing. Me say me no see him yet. If me get them, he give them back. Betty data. You still look after? And me say I call me before the 3 o'clock. Where them say me in my bed. Here, come out here, gate. When I come out, is that box, come out to Shani. Weed for days. And cigarette. Shani, me just call her. And get it back in the morning. Yeah, that's friend, and she give me a thing. We just get it back in the morning. Because I taste the two river people, them don't say takes it from them. And I mean, again, if say one day, if take one busman papers, the busman papers, them illegal, you know. And if tell the busman say, we have 150,000 from him. You hear me now? Angel come here, I got told. The second do I hear me, you want to know, just put on a sneakers and strap it down for your foot in case anything you have to run.
the police?
You have to put on a sneakers and tie it down for your foot nicely in case you have to run. Him take with the busman papers, but him thinks that the busman are gonna call Mocha to set him up.
Yeah, yeah.
So him no want go face the busman. So me, if we go face the busman and Mocha, him drop me weird Darling Street up and park up there and say, go on for the money from him and I give him the papers. Don't let the papers till I get the money. He said, hey, you have not come here. Any four players to take up your 2 foot and run. Somebody can't be with a snipe.
Yes, me don't tell you already some of people's them there.
Me say, Shani, when I done blood clot, take up like me say, when I reach down there and the boss man never have them intention there. The boss man just give me the money and take the paper and take the papers there. So I reach back to him call back the boss man and say, I go get the papers them right and don't make me have to circle back. Hey,
You
me
poorly?
say, yeah, brother.
Fuck.
Hey, me say, I
Nah,
live from
because
blood
of that,
clot
them do all the
criminal
while.
life
When
there.
them rob you, them send them friend come after.
Fear that them do. Me live so more for criminal blood clot life. Shani, you see, true, me get so used to criminal life. That's why I don't like look a bit of money, you know. Because
Yeah,
true, me
that's why, because you used to it.
bandul and criminal. I mean, I always have somebody.
But talk the truth, Angel. The only way you make a good money, you have to do it bandolo.
If it no
You
bandul,
can't go legal and make it out here. You have to go illegal for make it, and it's just a sad truth.
I just a sad truth. But if the government do everything illegal for make money, everything, but true them bigger than the law, I make them not get catch my love. But everything you can't do nothing straight at Jamaica you have to eat. May I tell you?
That
You
is sad
can't,
truth.
you see that policeman there? Don't see nobody with gun and call him. See them with bandul, cigarette and
Something
bandul.
to make a change.
You can't
Something to
call
make
him
a
for
change.
nobody with gun. Him no want hear that.
But,
You can't tell him that.
but overall, the police them no want hear the man we have gun.
Nobody not have time for that. The only way him come with a gun business is if him want the gun to sell it back. Him
Jesus.
not interested. He no
I know,
want to do with that.
Jesus Christ. I know
Nothing.
policeman will borrow. I know
Listen,
policeman will
big
borrow.
up here by Jackie Brady, Sammy Joe Brady, Betty Good
Okay.
Pussy.
Trendy, Libra,
Listen to me, no man.
Ian, Special and
If you not
Fretters,
try
big up
to
on.
beat the system,
Auntie, I know police. We come borrow illegal gun from man for go rob.
them don't know them thing they happen all the
And then
while.
when he care about the gun, him not give the man a blood clot dollar cause the gun illegal.
I use people all the while.
Them rob a country.
Shani have 2 girl in our community, them have 1 shop, 2 sister, them shop, big enough, 2 independent girl, them, you know.
That's not top of screen now.
See she my way say, yeah man, the force corrupt, man. You see when me look,
Fuck.
Him texted pan the girl them bleaching cream. Now when me go over him yard, him have 2 boxes of bleaching cream on in bed. When me go, me take out when me wine and sometime him trace me and say, girl, I'm going to call you alone, me have fuck. Other girl no want bleaching cream too. Every time you come, you just a take out every blood clot thing so.
Okay, trend.
That's how him deal with me, you know. When him ready, you know, say, no, what I do, him I fuck him up, because one day I go over there, go sleep, you know. I him no want give me no more of the bleaching cream, so I take out everything. I say, all right, don't worry yourself. One Friday morning, him wake up here, you know, blood clot, you know, so I go circle them to girl shop and see if nothing more in they can take out. God so good when me I go home the morning, I book one of the sister them on the bus.
Tell them.
And I just tell her, I say, come here, I circle your shop later. He might come and work 5 o'clock. Look out for him. Anything when your shop is illegal, take them out now, can come in. Hey, I another about 3 days after the girl see me, and she say, Angel, him come for you, you know. Thank you very much, him come. I say, him not stop text it pan you, don't keep nothing in there, Miss Corruption. Now she big up. Fuck him up, because him now want give me no more eye bleaching cream. 2 more rose shot, Betty
Guys,
that.
you can get 2 roses, please. You can get 2 roses, guys.
And that me I say look how much of them over here for true. And them not even tap the screen and make me get see that 6. Them look at them and make Shani give me for true, you know. Done blood clot.
So you get 6, man, and then I'm gonna leave you.
Double.
Guys, you know, use
Somebody
the
bet
double.
una money gun pan the double.
She and my baby. Guys, you know, use the
Everything pan
double.
the double chat. Una
Use the
can't
double.
make Shani give me 6 over here. Una still don't over here listen to my business.
You know,
I
that
still
them,
wanna serious.
them
Miss
business.
T breeze. Miss T big up.
Them mistake can see in them time, yeah?
You're bright, T-boy Mystic, can't say breeze. Nikki big up. When too hot, man, when sit down over here, when just listen to my business, see there, what that they know.
I miss.
Crystal, Betty,
I
good
miss.
pussy
I miss.
daughter.
Guys, when I met you broke his score,
No, it have to broke now and not today.
mistake come go home.
Tell me, Mystic, to let her go. Damage your
Yeah, my
breezy.
girl.
Lego Mystic.
Misty, I'm a girl.
Me not tell her, Shani, I live some nice life while I was young.
I take all it nice. She said I live some nice life.
But I tell you, like, I'll go fuck the SSP out of Mountain View police station and sleep out there and pay shut of fire out of Mountain View.
Guys,
Yes,
we can't snipe this.
Shani, me and the SSP, me fuck for Mountain View lock up, you know, back out of Mountain View station, you know.
I want him SSB.
Senior superintendent, man, me fuck from rank to rank, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, me go bigger in the rank. Me not too safe on the low rank in them, you know.
no,
So
no.
me fuck bigger. You understand? Yeah, me fuck one local sergeant one at a time. Then we move from sergeant and got corporal and we move on DSP.
Yeah,
And
upgrade.
so me end up on SSP. Angie,
The
senior
upgrade.
superintendent,
That
man.
is it, my
Well,
baby.
that was
Guys,
that.
somebody help Libra now. Help people push up his score.
Chat them are coming up. When me the young, me like police. You never hear Tina, you never over me tell me say me like the
Guys, see the gloves
nobody
there.
now
See the
no
glove.
gloves for me.
Gloves, guys, come for some donuts.
All right, breeze.
Come
Nobody
for
now
some
no gloves.
donuts. Come for some donuts, pan it.
See them a freeze the gloves there. Betty good pussy daughter. Nobody now no gloves.
I will better get that out of there from.
Now she have to don't just watch out for them
Come
snipe.
for it. Come
Them
for the,
not Betty good
come
pussy
for the
daughter
donuts.
over here. You have to know.
Come for them. Come for them. It can't catch.
Oh, now she
Combo.
don't know nothing about it. You
Thank
have to
you.
send gift and don't make a score the pass my score. I
I
saw
don't forget snipe this, you know, because we are geared to 6.
Shani. No, me can't write a book, man, but the officer cop them when me take man. To me, look, one time when me tired of the
They love
illegal
the
one,
gun.
man,
They love the
just start.
gun.
Yeah, so when me tired of the
Snipe.
illegal one, then me got when me tired of the illegal one,
Oh,
then me
no,
got the
Matty.
legal one, them.
Thank you, my babies.
Breeze, Betty that take it a gloves good as.
Libra
Aisha
trend,
Savage, take it a gloves.
strength,
Angie
pressure
Crystal,
to my
Omer
brother.
Road,
Thank
Sam
you.
Joe, Nikki Nick, Bree. Nashe, big up. Hey, Shani.
Desmond, you left go. Desmond, you left from over here. I'm block your blood clot, you know, Des. Wait, come over here, skin off your 32 for.
Shani, no. And I saw it go where she them say my life feel protected. Shani, come here, see that election when me there with the Dan.
I go and block you.
Shani, when we did there with the Dan and then the election, me have a look battery rider past from Punishstone Road, and him drive round and all out people to the most for vote. But for him pass, I see me that look battery rider, I'm shape that is the blood clot every time they would me two don't say Gabana slippers in a Mr.
Yeah,
Shani.
I know. And then my black car, fritters, I got unblock car.
Mr. Shani, so when we look, the boy I drive past and I look around for with the rifle upon the blood clot window coming by the time they get him and them think tough police.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah, yeah.
the boy just black with the blood clot around for us, they get all the key and go in. I was just going in and Shani and the boy come in and the boy I give me a back with the rifle in him and him, da put it down, Shani. Me say, yeah, put on the rifle, Shani, me I get the back with the rifle in him and the blood clot. Hey, me risky, but hey, me I get a should have done already still. But don't tell a lie. Me don't know how me I live so blood clot and I take so much risk in a life.
Knock it down.
Hey, one at a time. The boy fire shot over me, me have to run over me, pen pad them, send me there with police. Dear nigga, I fuck Batman and police, me say, never know my pussy in a pussy. They didn't done hear about me long time, no, you want. What, Mr. Sir? Hey,
That's the parts up for me there. I can't
honey.
manage
One
ENJ.
time, they put me in one bar for work. I work at the bar for 2 weeks. I mean, like, look at me, time money, got me there at the bar I work 2 weeks. Say, they know it's the bar where me I work. Is a policeman own the bar. So one day, me say, 10 rose shot.
Zara Rosa.
Is a policeman own the bar, right?
These are one Rosa, guys.
Shani Stone, me look. The two SSP when me fuck buck up out the car, the whole of them go training school together. The two SSP when me have fuck buck up out there, one of them used to work on a bigger Ford. Him a DSP out of Central Police Station, a flying squad there, so. The whole of them go training school together and buck up. So the first one will come up me up, when the next one come here, we have got woman from where you know her from. You're my boss, then where you know them from. When the two of them, the whole of them a chat with the three of them, you're my boss, when time them gone. Why me not tell a lie when me did hire you, Breezy! Big up! You're my boss. When me did hire you, me think say you was one man, look a girl, then it's where you find them, your money a fuck. Me say, the man after him.
I not gonna do this. I not going to do this with Angel and Sam. I not gonna do Guys, you know see them big score in our head? Don't see them something and nobody not no puss kitten. Me see come up or breezy. Yes, my baby. Thank you, Libra. Libra, you want about two more help you out, my baby. Thank you, my baby. Thank you.
Big
Thank
up everybody. Hey, Mr. Shani. The two policemen them attack, and the two of them didn't want me, come
you. Banana clubs.
when me look a bit and I mash up the whole place, the boy them want me, God no. Nah, tell a lie. Any of me dead and my family them put down too soon, them are wicked. And family live so much life. Hey, when time he did my funeral, I go full the whole of my man, them are dead, them are ball for me, No, them have to ball for
Guys,
me.
you want a puss kitten?
Them have to ball for me, and me and them best girl, God know, man, them have to ball for me, man, me I tell you.
So what going for the one? You give up the relationship now, that one they give up.
Which one?
The one where you tell me what they.
Yeah, man, me don't need that, the boy, me can't deal with the judgment. Me done. Shani is one thing with me, I mean, I have no more fuck left in me, but that's why me that try to say me a behave and stay one place, but it
No, the
not,
babe not gonna work until the babe not
it
gonna work.
not work at all.
Not gonna work.
I'm sister that boy, I want to run up my pussy mileage. I remember my pussy on a breakthrough in it, burn out like a truck where I come down spiritually ill, speedy, So me can't make no boy make me go, because I have no mileage left in my pussy for run up. Me can't make them a boy. I'm done with the boy right now.
No, the bathing thing not gonna work. Me I tell you the truth.
Nah, work for two man. Brady, big up. It
I
nah.
lose, you lose. You gonna lose the Francis, from the start, behave yourself, you lose.
Yeah, man, I'm done now. No mileage left already.
Guys, big up on yourself. Libra my girl, you give me a strength to them, my baby. Big up you. Thank on the trend, my husband, Fretzers. Big up everybody.
Breeze there, Betty good pussy that. Brady, Sammy Joe Bree. Corey, big up everybody. We are tapping a big up. Yannick. Hey, listen to me, you know. Me done with this blood clot relationship. So me can't deal with it now. Work out.
Relationship, them not relationship in my love.
I
Not.
know the all we are going, you know, me I tell you something. Shani, you know, say the bad girl them. People might tell it might sound a way, but you see bad girl them, pussy make out of foot bottom material. Them the pussy they can't done. The more exercise your pussy get is the tight be. Cause sometimes I wonder how me folks and the boy them still texted for my hole. May I tell you the truth? That's why the wicked doctor when you went time he dash your last belly. And the doctor said, oh, you have so much grip left here. So me say you're wickedy. We spot you find grip. Him say whole heap of grip left here. So yeah, cause the doctor man push up him finger and him say, no man I push and take grip left here. So
Absolutely, oh
we spot me for find grip here now. And the doctor said, no, that's why them said that should be the pill them no work for me, Shani. Cause them say my passage small. Then when me forget small passage from a me fuck so. Eh? And girl will just start fuck with you for them passage wide out.
guys, in
Then
a power tap is score now. Look what I go on here, so.
now come down for two, Brady. What make my passage small? And nobody no fuck like me in a life. Boy, understand ya? Everything in life does go upside.
Guys, this is a triple. This is a triple, you know.
Me not
It's a
say shut
triple.
on from where the end of this morning. Hey, listen to me, you know. Listen to blood clot me. When you don't judge a bad girl, come me I tell you, say the bad girl them, I walk around with the best set of vagina them.
Guys, one unart catch your speed. One unart.
Somebody beg una Anna, now, please.
One unart or 3 donut.
Flames, big up. That is it, Breeze.
Guys, when I catch your speed is a triple, you know. I want triple.
I anyway, me carry my pussy got presidential respect, me get with it, you know. That's why me I tell them what yesterday. I know when you the fuck where you put on, you know, how you fuck Shani. Cause me I tell you something, I fuck some man in a life and up to the day. The man them know me a bad bitch and them rate me a different kind of way, Shani. You hear me I tell you?
Right.
So sometimes I know what you do in a life is just how you do it.
Right.
Really big up. You can't lose yourself, Shani. You have to make boy rate you and say you're a real OG. Breeze there. Say you see you no care how me fuck the boy them say me a old gangster from long time in the road. Them not too disrespect me. I pay respect me and my pussy get everywhere me turn, you know. Breeze there. That is it, you know, my baby. Presidential respect we get anywhere we go me and my old. Me I tell you. Cause we make boy have to rate. We turn the boy them rate things. That is it, you know, Breeze there. At Clark Breeze. I'm going over here in the day, you know. I'm looking New Year's present this look at the belly can dash you now. Breeze!
Now the belly they can't dash you again, auntie.
No, man, all 4 months belly me dash you, Shani. A young belly can dash you in a minute now. All 4 months. Breeze the big up. Me I got my doctor today. Oh, yeah, man. Big up.
I can't do this.
Shani, me dash your belly with eye and nose and mouth, you know.
That's murder.
Yeah, so it got the boy come in with that equip on him neck and me couldn't carry the belly, me change my mind. Chat, listen to me. Yes, Molin. What are your problem? Shani, me that breed for one boy up a jungle one time. Me I carry the belly reach 4 months, the baby start move. And me I carry the belly good and me a beer. And the boy come with one equip on him neck both in the afternoon after 12. Me see him come with Icky on him neck. Me say, no man, you grow feather, you big.
Yeah, man, I'm feather bad.
Yeah, man. So me just say, alright, no worry yourself. Me just stay so boom, boom, boom and get to my bank account and reach up on my doctor. By 1:30, the belly dead. 1:15, the belly gone. When him video call me, Shani,
Flat.
him see me just wake up out of the anesthetic. Hear my way you there. Me say me up on my doctor, you say, you're wicked, girl. And him clean me up. Me say, yeah, man, me can't take a problem.
Yeah. But I'm very rude, though. That's very rude, you
Yeah,
know.
big Icky coming with panic and a
4
man.
months, and I even wait till the baby
No, man,
back.
you can't fuck her, me no know, man. But
Yeah,
if
that's
you
rude. That's really rude. No, man. Him, me not gonna bash that. Him deserve that. That's fucking rude.
yeah, man, me can't, me about the mission, man. About the blood clot mission. Me can't
Very
deal with
rude. That's rude.
Yeah, me about the blood clot mission. And me can't
Guys,
go
not
behave,
Sankono. Everybody would stop. Sankono, guys.
can't behave for a man when I behave. That not right. Breezy.
No,
Pick up
that not look
yourself,
good.
you know, my dan.
That
Big
not look
up,
good at all.
Brady.
No, man, you have to get rid of that.
Wildfire bulla.
You can
Big up
imagine when you have the
yourself,
baby.
chop it
When you
up,
have the baby, no
Crystal,
problem. That not look
out
good.
here him. Too outside and them know me an original murderer from
No,
land.
no life for us, no laugh. That not look good for you. It have to go. That's fucking rude.
No man, him outside, man. Him too
Belly
bright.
just catch 4 months, you come in with Icky already. Then when the baby born away, you gotta do. You have to go.
You can't broke them a boy your body. You must be mad. Crazy. And as me that should have belly them get a better baby father, so me breed with daddy boy. And go
Guys,
get
in a power tap the screen.
Alright, after that, me breed with daddy boy, you know. I'm not that sure daddy boy. I'm cry him because me that look behave, but me not like when them not behave. Me not like when me a behave and them not behave, Shani. Me can't behave for man when I behave.
No, you can't be. Why that's a...
Me don't know if I be man mascot, Shani. Me can't play that role there.
I'm sure no word for my auntie, my graduate.
Shani, you know, say, anybody over here when they on the live when you with the man when me did a drive round with, we are deliver him with them, we are selling with them. You know, say that boy they breed me about 3 times. It's 3 times that boy they breed me, you know, Shani, I'm kill the cheap in them, you know. Cause you see me, the first time when him breed me, you know, him says not him, with him out herself. But in all reality, you know, it's when me in my young girl era, when you breed me, you're afraid for own it. Me no bother travel nothing because through me bad. So me know say you have to really wait till the baby born because we don't want a problem. Because we don't want nobody enroll along Duke Street. So me get the benefit of the doubt. I'm bad. So you're afraid for one the belly far. You know what, you know, put no waistcoat, nor no coat. So me understand, it is understandable. But even so, you said that you breed me still give me a look at 3 inch because you have shares in this blood clot, yeah.
Yeah, can you name the
I
car?
got 2 years, so, you know. Says this even 2 belongs to you, you know, Shani. So don't go on like you don't want to give me my pussy money, you know. So it's that for me get done snow. Because you say, I know you're all right, don't worry your blood clot still. Shani is when I kill the belly. Because him say I no feel. If everything farm up on the baby, you know. You know where do I put the baby in a one look basin for carry it up and baby mother door go put it. And my mother ball and beg me say, no, angel, do. No, that a wickedness, she ball and she start play be a gospel and she create be excitement.
Guys, 1 rose or 10 rose.
Shani, you know why I did want to come out? I call one of them friend in my house because my mother don't want me to come out to it. And I show him friend it. I say, come here, come look how your friend wicked. And I said, the fetus favor him. Look on the fetus from early out. You don't see this fetus look like him. What make them love bring me down pan when me don't know about. You see how them love give me more than when me can blood clot beer do.
So you never afraid to look on the baby or touch it and
Johnny's a dog at me born with. Me born with a local dog at.
so that one was how much?
Belly there what? Belly there that catch 5 months, you know, roughly I got 5 months going on, you know.
They know so that farm out.
But the father them not go and go Johnny when me I go do me can't increase poverty.
Could do it though, auntie.
Breezy! Shani, everybody born with a different thought. Me have a cold dog heart. I behave you know, Shani. Me born with one look at dog heart. But as me say, Shani, I'm a pass.
Yeah, man, I know that.
And listen to
And
me.
you did young too. You did young.
Young and wild and free.
Yeah, man, when you're young, you know.
And the boy them have to know say me dey on the fuck truck and me full of options. Be a different boy want me. So you can't come pin me down with belly and then you hype on me. Don't do that. Something upon the triple chart.
Same breed at 3 times and name the 3 of them, auntie.
All right, here the last one now, me eat it. Him just come out of prison, because me and him used to work the prison, you know. Him just come out of prison. Upon my birthday, me go feed him at the prison gate over Punish Town. As him come out of the prison, him breed me again, Shani. As him come out of the prison, him breed me. And him come out back with the same set of arms house, the bag of gal business. And him sister said to me, say, Angel, that's your belly, ya car. They come me that carry that belly left you, you know. And then me just change my mind and dash it and start fuck pan him to him nearly. Cause me go live with him at St. Elizabeth, you know. And me go down,
But at St. Elizabeth.
right a bamboo there, so Alan bamboo, right at the end of bamboo there, so me go quarters there, so. Me go live up there with him and me and him a run one bar up there, you know.
Where your father come from?
Yeah, me and him a run one bar down there and him a fuck and me just start fuck down the place too.
Down there?
Yeah, so me just start mash up the place too and then him want to kill me down the car, me go river for throw me off and want to kill me, so make me go back home. And me no bother go back.
So you go fuck down there, auntie?
No, not down them. Here I go read my me that fuck and I go home and I fuck and I go home and him here. Pending! No, me never travel nobody down there, Shani. I never travel nobody down there.
You could have go do that though.
No, me coulda do it, but me just never in the mood.
But you don't know your way around.
All the roads, you not have to know your way around, and you not have fuck blind. Sexy.
Oh, you're gonna make an escape.
Shani, remember say me not fuck blind, you know, me know my way around.
Oh, you're gonna make an escape.
Betty that top.
Oh, you're gonna make an escape.
Yeah, I'm gonna big dance last night.